So today's been a busy day. Cheese Man has been working on finding this plumbing down here. I don't know if you can quite see the drain pipe down there. That's the outside. It's a drain line and a water line over there. And that's for our upcoming cheese kitchen. And we was messing with ponies tonight. The girls heard peeping. And what should we find in our over by the chicken house? This Muscovy hen. She's got, I think, 11 babies. So she'd gotten separated from them. They couldn't get back to her. So we her up, and there they are. The family's getting settled for the night. Babies would be warm, and the family can bond up and not have to worry about staying together. And then back here in the garden, we had the horses over here. They were eating the garden grass. I couldn't get mowed fast enough, so go ahead and mow that now that the horses are moved, and put them over here on the other side so they can jump on the trampoline. Well, not really, but Oakley, I think she approves of the grass knee-high. And Ricky, how's the grass, Rick? Anyways, kind of a redneck setup, but it'll mow the grass and keep the horses fat for a little while. I don't like to mow that much anyways. So give them a chance to eat green grass instead of hay. What are you doing, Cheese Man? It doesn't look like you're making cheese. What are you doing in there?
Making a cheese building.
So I just showed him the drain. Is this the same building?
What?
The drain that you dug up. Same building? New window and everything, huh? Looks pretty fancy. Doesn't look much like a cheese room yet, does it?
It will.
It'll be a walk-in cooler. And there'll be some stainless sinks. And if you look way over there in the corner...
Won't be stainless sinks.
Oh, not sinks. Counters, I guess.
Counters.
There's great Grandma Cleo's washing machine over in the corner. And an antique sink that's covered in junk at the moment. You ever done this before?
Nope.
Are you an expert?
Nope. Not at all.
Is this how they do it on TV?
I don't know.
Guess we're going to find out, huh?
Yep.
Then there's Candy. She just got milked and calves fed, and she's in dry lot for the night. That feeder over there is got some hay left in it from the bull. So she can spend the night in here eating up the dry feed, and then we'll get that feeder out of here, and a horse can maybe come back out here. And that feed over there behind them old trucks, that field there, that's where she's been spending her days. Hi, Candy. What are you doing, Candy girl? Yeah, you're a good girl, huh? And here's the pigs. What are you doing, pigs? Pigs are wondering if today's a cheese making day, because they'd really like to have some whey. Anyways, they're really funny. They're rototilling that whole pen up, because, well, that's what pigs do. In that bucket there, they usually get some whey or some skim milk. And here lately, we've been cleaning out some canning jars from a garage that we cleaned out around Christmas time. Just a bunch of old canning jam and apple juice, and can't even say what all it was, but pickles. Pigs like pickles, huh, pigs? And there's a calf over there that we had stuck in the rocks, and he looks pretty rough, but he's getting along really good, and he's eating, and he's sucking the cow, and he's just kind of laying low healing. And I mean, he looks bad, but he's alive, and he's healing up, so we're just glad to still have him. So anyways, that's what's going on here tonight, the Stanger land. Like and subscribe, as the short girls would say.